Hey everyone, welcome to the new podcast episode in cloud computing and the show that demystifies the world of technology for you. So I'm your host Kokila Madhuvanti, and today's first episode I'm diving headfirst into the captivating realm of cloud computing 101, your gateway to digital innovation. So grab your headphones and let's get started. Actually, you are using your smartphone, streaming your favorite TV show, accessing your work files, and backing up precious memories all seamlessly, effortlessly, and simultaneously. Ever wondered how this magic happens? The answer is cloud computing. So, whether you are a tech enthusiast or just curious about what's behind the scenes of your digital life, so get ready to grasp the fundamentals of cloud computing in the next few minutes. Okay, so let's start by demystifying the cloud. So at this core, cloud computing is actually, it's like having a virtual warehouse for data and applications accessible over the internet. So it's not a magical place in the sky, but rather a network of data centers filled with powerful servers, storage systems, and software. Okay, so cloud computing isn't just about convenience. So it's a game changer for businesses and individuals alike. So I'm going to talk about now is some key advantages of cloud computing. Okay, first point is scalability. So you know scalability. Actually, scalability cloud services can scale up or down based on your needs, allowing you to handle traffic spikes or resource demands without breaking a sweat. So second point is cost efficiency. Actually, it's no more massive upfront investments in hardware. So cloud computing follows a pay-as-you-go model, helping businesses reduce cost. So third point is global accessibility. So with the cloud, you can access your applications and data from anywhere, enabling remote work and collaboration on a global scale. Okay, so next point is innovation accelerator. It's mean cloud services provide the platform for innovation, enabling rapid development, testing and deployment of new ideas. Okay, so I'm going to talk about now is cloud computing offers various services tailored to different needs. Okay, first point is it's mean infrastructure as a service. Yes, it's mean think of it as the foundation. You get virtualized computing resources like virtual machines and storage from the cloud provider, that is IaaS. Second point is platform as a service, PaaS. It's mean it takes it a step further, providing not just the infrastructure but also a platform for building, deploying and managing applications, that is PaaS. Third point is software as a service. It's mean SaaS. It's mean here you get access to fully functional software applications over the internet without worrying about installation or maintenance. Okay, so I'm going to talk about now is security and concerns. So let's dive into this topic and explore some best practices for securing your data in the cloud, as well as how cloud providers take measure to safeguard your information. Okay, the first point is data encryption, and second point is access control. The third point is regular security audits, and more. So remember, while cloud providers take these security measures seriously, it's essential for you to understand your role in securing your data. Okay? So now I am covered the fundamentals of cloud computing and addressed security concerns. Okay, so let's take a look at some real world examples to see how cloud computing has transformed various industries and empowered businesses to innovate and grow. Okay, the first example is like Netflix. Actually, Netflix, like one of the most iconic examples of cloud computing's transformative power is Netflix. Okay, so it's initially relied on physical data rentals, but they transitioned to streaming content over the internet. Second example, like Airbnb. Actually, it's a revolutionary hospitality company, depends on the rapidly handling unpredictable spikes in usage during peak travel seasons while maintaining a smooth use experience. Okay, that is Airbnb. Third example is like Slack. It's the popular team collaborative platform released on cloud services to provide real-time messaging and file sharing to millions of users. That is Slack. Another example like NASA's Mars rover missions. So it generates vast amounts of data from the red planet. So cloud computing allows scientists and engineers to process and analyze the data efficiently, collaborate remotely, and simulate various scenarios to make critical decisions. That is NASA's Mars rover missions. Okay, so these examples illustrate that cloud computing isn't limited to a specific industry. Its benefits span across various sectors, enabling organizations to focus on their core competencies while leaving the complexities of infrastructural management to cloud providers. Okay, so I am going to talk about now is tips for getting started in cloud computing. Okay, so as we near the end of my exploration into the world of cloud computing, you might be wondering how to take the first steps towards harnessing its power for your own endeavors. So I'll provide you with some practical tips to guide you on your journey to getting started with cloud computing. Okay, the first step is define your goals. Okay, and second step is choose the right cloud model. Another step is select a cloud provider. Another is security measures and more. So guys, by following these tips, you can embark on your cloud journey with confidence, leveraging the cloud's capabilities to drive digital transformation and stay ahead in ever-evolving landscape of technology. Okay? So, and that's wrap up my journey through Cloud Computing 101, your gateway to digital innovation. Okay, so I hope you are gained a clearer understanding of the cloud and its immense potential to drive innovation in the digital landscape. Okay, so guys, remember, this is just the beginners of your cloud journey. Okay, so the world of technology is ever evolving and the cloud will convenient to shape the way we live and work. So stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the possibilities that cloud computing offers. Okay, so thank you for joining me on this Cloud Computing 101, your gateway to digital innovation podcast. So I hope this episode has empowered you with the knowledge and inspiration to embrace the cloud's potential to drive innovation in your own endeavors. Until next time, keep reaching for the cloud of innovation and transforming the digital landscape. Okay, so goodbye and stay innovative.